this is the 4-hour chart for render, and it reminds me of what I see on the Casper chart, for example, what I see on the Injective chart, even FET Fetch AI chart. They kind of move together. They are ranging, and it seems like the market is waiting for something. But also here, look, this correction started in May. It looks completely different than what we see on the virtual chart, for example. But also, render is holding below a trend line. So I'm still watching this for a possible upside reversal, attempt here maybe. Yeah, so from this area around 297 to 328, render could attempt an upside reversal. We need a break above the yellow trend line here. That could come, this is coming in currently around $3.93. And then we've got $4.25, we've got $4.68, and $5.50 as next resistances, with the 297 to 328 levels as support. So I also view this as potentially interesting for the next, let's say, phase where the altcoins perform. At the moment, most of these coins are really just moving sideways. There are a few that are really performing, also from the ones that I'm tracking, like Solana, for example. Yeah. But a lot of these guys are currently just moving sideways. Casper, Injective, Render, Fetch, and they've been in this correction for a long, long time. And the main problem with this structure is that I'd be more positive about Render had we seen 5 waves up from the June low. I still keep the door open for higher because we're holding support, and this rally was in 5 waves from the April low. But this here is in 3, which means maybe something else is going on. Maybe this B wave is extending as a triangle. That would be possible. Triangle would then mean A, B, C, maybe we get another D, E, but it would not really make a great difference. Yeah, it would just be a series of higher lows and lower highs. In both cases, it would be ideal if we could hold the $2.97 level. Below 297, we've got here 260 as first invalidation point for the immediate 1-2 setup. And then the next level will be at 251. And to the upside, if we track targets, they might likely shift, but $7 would be the first ideal target for Circle Wave 3. So let's first see if we can actually find a low and breakout, then we can specify those upside targets further.